Throughout your Swift learning journey, you learned how to use arrays and dictionaries to store a collection of values. You may recall that an array is an ordered list of values of the same type and that its elements can be accessed by their index numbers, while a dictionary is an unordered collection of key value pairs. In addition to arrays and dictionaries, Swift provides another collection type called sets, and over the next few minutes, you'll explore what they are and why they are useful and how to use them in your code. Sets are unordered collections of unique values of the same type. This means that unlike the values in an array, each element inside a set must be unique, like the keys in a dictionary where no key is the same. Sets are efficient at searching for duplicates, maintaining unique elements within a collection, and inserting and removing elements in a collection. As the elements within a set grow, these operations continue to perform optimally and do not slow down the program like an array would. To create some context, imagine for a moment that you have a container filled with different coloured crayons. Each colour is unique and the crayons are stored in the container in no particular order. To present your crayon collection in code, you can use a set. First, let's review the Swift syntax used to declare a set collection. A set collection type is declared by inserting the keyword set followed by the element data type in a pair of angle brackets. Now to present your crayon collection in the set, you start by declaring the variable that the set will be assigned to. For instance, var colors. A colon is then used to indicate that the type will be set explicitly. Next, you type the set declaration syntax and specify string as the element data type, which is then followed by an equal sign and an array literal. Inside the array literal, you pass in the elements of the collection, for example, red, blue, and green. The elements within the collection will be elements of the specified set type. Now that the set has been defined, you can use its methods to insert and remove elements from the collection. To insert an element on a set, you use the insert method and pass in a specified element of the set in the parameter. The set will insert the parameter value if the value within the set doesn't already exist. For example, suppose you use the insert method to add purple and red to your colors set. Then to check that the colors have been added successfully, you insert a print statement. Once the code is executed, you'll observe that purple is the only value that is added since red already exists in the collection. A set behaves this way to keep the integrity of unique elements intact. Next, let's review the process of removing an element from a set. To remove an element, you use the remove method on a set and pass in a specified element of the set in the parameter. The set will find and remove the parameter value from the set if the value exists. In this video, you learned that sets store unique values of the same type in a collection. You'll also explore that you might choose to use a set over an array when you need to ensure that there are no duplicate values, or when the order of values doesn't matter. You learned that as the elements within a set grow, performing different operations on the set won't slow down a program like an array would. Like arrays and dictionaries, you cannot store values in a collection that do not match the specified type. This is because Swift is a strongly typed language. As you progress through this lesson, you'll become more comfortable using sets to store and maintain unique values.